Hi children, how are you all? I hope you everyone are fine. Is it right? Yes. Today we are going to learn a new lesson that is metallurgy. Are you all interested to learn the lesson metallurgy? Yes. What is metallurgy? Metallurgy is the extraction of metals from their ores. Okay. Extraction means nothing but the separation of particular elements from their ores. This is called metallurgy. Okay. I will show you the minerals. Okay. What is called minerals? These minerals are the naturally occurring compounds of metals which are generally mixed with the other matters such as soil, sand, limestone and rocks are called minerals. Okay, so it is nothing but the naturally occurring compound. So it contains some of the other matter also, that is soil, sand, limestone. You think about the mountain, children. Mountain, it has some of the minerals also. Okay, that is called minerals. Understand? You can see some of the minerals here, and some of the minerals names are galena, jasper, calcite, opalite, halite, etc. So if you see this, all these minerals are different in color, different in size. What's the reason? Because they contain different element. Understood? So these are all the naturally occurring compounds are called minerals. Now we see what is ores. Understood? Okay, those minerals means which minerals, children? Now we saw all the minerals, that minerals from which metals are extracted commercially at low cost and with minimum effort are called ores. Now we saw, some of the minerals, that minerals, from that we will select some of the minerals to separate a particular metal. That metal at low cost and with minimum effort are called ores. Understand? So ores are nothing but the minerals only. Clear? Okay. All ores are minerals, but all the minerals are not the ore. What do you mean by that? All ores are minerals means minerals and ores are the same only. Okay. But all the minerals are not the ore. That means all the minerals we won't separate the particular metal. Is it right? The selected minerals only we will extract the particular metal. That minerals are called ores. Now we understand. I will show you some of the ores. Okay. Cornellite. From this cornellite, we will separate sodium and potassium. Okay. Then this is rock salt. This is also a ore. From this rock salt, we will separate the element sodium. What is this, children? This is limestone. Which element we will separate by using electrolysis? Calcium. Understand? Okay. So this ore name is bauxite. From this bauxite, we will extract the metal aluminium. Okay. Next one is zinc blende. Zinc blende is the ore name of zinc element. Name itself it is that. Okay. Next one is red hematite. Can you guess, children, which elements were this one? Yes, very good. It is iron. Okay, next ore is galena. Galena is the ore of lead. Okay. Next ore is copper pyrites. From the name itself it is there. So it is used to extract which element? Copper. Very good. The next ore is cinnabar. From cinnabar we will separate the element mercury, Hg. Next, the last one is argentite. From this mineral, we can separate the element that is silver. Now, we understand, children? So, from all the ores, we will select, these are all the minerals only. They are called ores because we selected the to separate. Okay. Now, we will study this matrix. Okay. Earthly impurities including silica, mud associated with the ore are called gangue. Gangue means with the ore some impurities will be there. That impurities are called gangue. Understand? Okay. Next, what is called flux? It is a substance that is added to a charge in a furnace to remove the gangue. Gangue means now only we study some of the earthly impurities, isn't it? To remove that earthly impurities, we will add some substance, some chemical substance. That substance is called a flux. Okay. Then what is called a slag? It's a fusible product formed when flux react with impurities during the extraction of metals. So now after adding the flux, we will get one fusible product. There is an impurity. That impurity is called as slag. Now we understand, children, these terms. Okay, now we can see some of the stages involved in the extraction of metals. Okay, to extract the metals we have to follow some steps. So first one is crushing and grinding of the ore. After selecting the ore from minerals, we have to crush it and grind it to make it into a powder. Then second step is concentration or dressing of the ore. We have to concentrate the ore. That means we have to remove all the earthly impurities. Then third one, conversion of concentrated ore to oxide by roasting or calcination. We have to change the concentrated ore into its oxide. Then only we can reduce it. Understood? Then fourth one, reduction of metallic oxide. After changing the ore into oxide, we will reduce it. Reducing means removal of oxygen. Then the last one is refining or purification of metals. Understood? After doing all this step, we will get some metals. We will get that particular metal. Is it right? This metal also has some impurities. So we have to purify this metals. This is called a refining. Did you understand, children? Shortly we can see. First step is ore, next crushing and grinding, concentration, roasting and calcination, reduction, refining, pure metal. Okay, for concentration we select some of the methods, that is gravity separation, froth flotation, magnetic separation, chemical method. Then for reduction we select two methods, that is chemical reduction, electrolytic reduction. Did you understand, children? Okay, I will see you with the continuation of this lesson in the next video. Okay, note down this assignment. This all assignment you have to do it neatly and you have to send it correctly at 12 o'clock, children. Okay.